at least when I was invited by the BDS movement here in South Africa, I was happy because I saw all these young people with cheerful faces, working with enthusiasm and with the will that they will help the Palestinians to end the oppression. Yesterday, when I was coming to South Africa, I heard on a radio that was on the way to the airport, and the interviewer was saying, "Never be a victim, and never give anyone to make you a victim." But we, and you before, we were and we are the victims of occupation. Occupation is terrorism. I'm not going to discuss what is terrorism. Occupation is terrorism. This is the peak of terrorism. So we don't care what they describe us. It's no more a subject to discuss. But when you are a victim, and we are human beings, we should be free. This means to me and to all victims to face the oppressors so that we will never be any more victims. A victim is down, always oppressed. So how can we end oppression? In each part of the world, people has to do it. We as Palestinians, I say it in front of you, that we don't have any other option except to resist only. And we don't have any other option except to win also. This struggle, we are ready to bear all the responsibility, to give all sacrifices for our freedom. Because a human being without a homeland like us, because we are refugees, is without dignity. And a human being needs dignity to live and to survive. So the core issue of the conflict in our country, the Palestinian cause, lies in two things: the land and the people. The land, who's going to be sovereign. We are still occupied, then occupation is sovereign over our land and water. The second, the people. There are 6 million Palestinian refugees. They were kicked out by force by the Zionists, and we have to go back to our homeland. This is the key solution for establishing peace in Palestine. We hope very much that this conflict ends and this bloodshed, the sufferings end. But we are facing a Zionist movement, we are facing Israel, an apartheid system, and we are facing imperialism. So the trench of enemies is big, powerful, but still the will of the people, with the support of our friends and other people in this world, will make us victorious one day. Thank you very much.
والذي يعرف رت ينحني ويصلي لإله في العيون العسلية بين رت وعيون بندقية. والذي يعرف رت ينحني ويصلي لإله في العيون العسلية.